Welcome to Degenerate EDC. EDC done degenerately. This EDC bag is my clown car for my Civivi knives. Every single one of my Civivi knives are packed inside this pouch. Let's take a closer look and see what we got. And as you can see, every knife is snug and packed in with its own seat belt like it's on a Galvatron, ready for a ride. Except this does not spin, however there's a lot of action coming your way. Say hello to the Civivi Praxis. This is the biggest folder allowable to fit the way it fits inside this bag. Next up, we have the Civivi Cubit. This thing is slim, sleek, and fits in here perfectly. Next one coming up is somewhat a special edition. This is the Civivi Nugs. It says "We Knives" on the blade. Very sleek and perfect for the bag. The next performer coming to the stage is Civivi Sokoke. This one feels the same size as the Praxis. Next up is one of my all-time favorites, whose pocket clip is extra snug and a little bit more of a challenge to remove, the Civivi Vision FG. Fits perfect. You don't question this one. Okay, so that was just the front seat of the clown car. The back seats are designed for bigger passengers. This is the Civivi Gordo. Fat, snappy, and it fits. We're getting close to the end. Let's see what else we got in this bag that feels like it never ends. We've got the Civivi Baby Banter. This one fits perfect inside the child seat. How many Civivis is that so far? I think I lost count. Last but not least, this is the Civivi Key V. I think it's called the Key V. I also keep an EDC flashlight by Streamlight to help assist me with these old eyes as needed, and it also fits perfectly inside this bag along with more room to spare if there's any additional multi-tools or EDC gadgets. The front is patch friendly for additional customization. This bag is small, compact, and extremely durable. How about we run it back and count all the Civivi knives that are able to fit inside this bag with room to spare, by the way. Okay, here we go. He got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 Civivi knives are inside this pouch. And the flashlight zips up comfortably with extra room to spare. Links to every knife, the pouch, and the patch will be in the description. Thanks for watching this Degeneracy.